Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really good. Today the climate is so nice and it was it was all cloudy. It was not raining though, it was very cloudy. And So my son was asking me to make a sandwich, so that is the reason why I was making sandwich for him. These are the ingredients basically which I'll be using for sandwich. I am not having cucumber because he is suffering with cold. This is mint leaf chutney, and yeah, this mint leaf chutney has coriander leaves, mint leaves, little garlic and hint of salt. That's it. And then let's start with making the sandwich. First of all, what I'll do is I'll be applying some butter. Now you can apply salted butter or non-salted butter, it depends upon you. It basically, when you use salted butter, it is good because it tastes really nice. Then once we have applied butter, we will be applying coriander. I am applying butter to both the slices because both the slices will give similar taste, and it should not be like, only one slice has the butter and the other slice doesn't have the butter. Anyways, which we know how to usually we apply butter on both the slices. And after this is done, I will be applying some mint leaf chutney. And this mint leaf chutney, as I said, it also should be applied on both the slices of the bread. Now mint leaf, as I said, I have used mint leaves, then there's coriander leaves, some garlic and hint of salt. Now I'm putting in some salt on both the slices of the bread. Now it's time for all the veggies. Let us first finish putting the salt. We'll start with potato slices. Then we will be using onions. We have cut onions in ring shape. Onion rings we are using after potato slices. I was not sure if my son would eat potatoes or not, and that is the reason I was little hesitant in putting more potatoes. So these are the onion rings which I am putting in the sandwich. Then comes the tomatoes. I earlier also mentioned I haven't used cucumbers in the sandwiches because he is suffering from cold. He was not well. My son basically was not well last week, and that is the reason why we are not using cucumber in the sandwich. Now I am putting salt again on the veggies as well because it should taste equally good. After putting in salt, we will close the sandwich. I am putting salt on this bread, the other bread slice as well. Little salt. It is not that you have to use whole lot of salt on all the slices, on all the vegetables and all, because see, it should have some taste, and that is the reason why we need to put in salt in everything of the sandwich. Now I had prepared 2 sandwiches. Also, once the sandwiches are closed, we'll have to apply butter on the outer side of the sandwich, so it should taste, it enhances, butter enhances the taste of the sandwich. So here we are going with the sandwiches going on the pan. We'll roast it nicely, it should be crispy. Now the other side we are applying butter as well. Once one side is cooked, let it cook evenly. If we are not using toaster, that is the reason why we'll have to wait for other side. This is the other side which is cooked already. It is crispy and tasty. Yes, of course, my son had this sandwich in his lunch box as well as before going to school, and he loved it. He was like, "Mama, it was very nice." I had not given him any ketchup or anything because he was suffering from cold. Now these are the slices which I made and I gave it to him. Sandwich is healthy because it has vegetables. I would request you all to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share.